All right, so thank you to our viewers. This is kind of a really exciting journey for all of us, a journey of learning and unlearning. Kasi tayo mismo merong mga baon-baong natutunan kung saan meron tayong alam tungkol sa drug prevention, tapos yun na yung ginagawa natin. But many of us as science, because this is science, we evolve according to the evidence. So nagbabago. So depende sa ating konteksto, sa pinaka-latest na impormasyon na meron tayo, ay pwede nating baguhin, i-unlearn yung mga nakasanayan na, and then let's adapt and let's share let's do what evidence says is nagwo-work. And yun yung gagawin natin given our new knowledge or new information pagdating sa drug prevention. So I would like to share my own takeaways if it's okay. Let's just one slide lang to share what personally I am taking away from the 10 episodes na ating pinagsama-samahan. And this is my own takeaway synthesizing the 10 episodes na meron tayong mga resource persons who joined us. Personally, and I hope meron din kayo mga sarili niyong notes, no? But I would like to take this opportunity to share that based on the listening dun sa mga natutunan natin, no? At the center of everything that we are doing is the human person. Whether this is the small group of people who are using drugs or the bigger group of the population who are not using drugs. At the center of everything that we do is the human person. The learner, the personnel, is a fellow human being. Yung sinabi ni Prof. Grace kanina, may emotions, may dreams, and whatever we experience, na-experience din nila. And that's something that we always remember. And what I take away also is that this human person is situated in multiple interconnected factors and systems that influence his or her behavior. So merong iba-ibang nagiging dahilan. No single narrative ang pwede nating i-apply na, person who uses drugs, ganito siya, and may label. Ang daming factors, ang daming salasalabat na mga dahilan bakit sila na-engage sa paggamit sa drugs and other risky behaviors, not only in drug use, kasi parang related na rin siya sa mental health at yung iba pa nating pinag-usapan. And because of this complexity, we approach drug prevention and drug education through evidence. Yung paulit-ulit sina Pastor LJ, sina Prof. Grace, si Doc Dumlao, si Ma'am Girly, evidence-based, evidence-based, evidence-based. Does it work? Will it not cause more harm? Will it really protect people? And based naman din dun sa parang laging binabalikan even ni Sir Santi, ni Prof, our speaker about mental health. Now we approach, because we're dealing with human persons in a very complex situation, then we approach this situation with compassion. So evidence weighed in by compassion. Compassion, hindi lang puro compassion, evidence din, what works. And we do this in a bigger, broader context of a positive climate or positive relationships. I personally enjoyed the opportunity po na ibinigay sa akin personally to listen to the resource persons and ask them your questions. So kasama po ninyo ako at ang rest of the School Health Division na ating behind the scenes na natuto sa mga pinag-usapan po ng ating mga resource persons. So let me just share. This is my personal takeaway. Kayo po, ano ang takeaway ninyo? I encourage you to also draw, to just write it on your notebook, and maybe keep it with you always as you do tasks or work related to drug education.